Hello, and welcome to My Little Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. It's pumpkin spice season, everyone, and that means it's time for everyone's favorite coffee treat, pumpkin spice latte. Now, a lot of us like to go to Starbucks and get it, but that can get expensive over time, and this one at Starbucks is packed with sugar. Now, I have a recipe for pumpkin spice latte that you're going to love. It's going to be a lot cheaper to make at home, and we've cut back the sugar by using maple syrup as a natural flavoring instead. Okay, so let's get started. These pumpkin spice lattes are really simple to make. You just need a half cup of coffee, a cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and a half teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with 1 cup of almond milk. This is homemade almond milk. You can use store-bought almond milk, but I find the homemade almond milk tastes so much better. Plus, it's a lot healthier. You know what goes into it. There's no preservatives. Next, we're going to add our pumpkin puree. This is homemade pumpkin puree. Again, you can use store-bought pumpkin puree, but you want to make sure you actually get pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. Next, we'll add our vanilla extract and our tablespoon of maple syrup. Lastly, pumpkin pie spice. All right, let's go ahead and whisk that all together here on low. Just to get everything all mixed up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cook this on low until it starts to simmer. Our pumpkin spice right here is starting to simmer, so then we know it's ready. So let's go ahead and take it off the stove. I'm gonna remove it from heat, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish it up. Now we remove this from heat, we're gonna add our half cup of coffee. And we're gonna blend it to froth it. Now you can either blend this in a regular blender, but you wanna make sure you're really careful and you vent the top of it so that steam doesn't build up and explode on you. Or you can use a submersion blender like I have here. And we're just gonna do this enough to create a froth on top. Perfect. Look at all that. Okay, now we'll go ahead and bring over our mug, like our mug there, Starbucks, okay. Oh, that looks wonderful, just enough. Then lastly, we'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg on there for garnishments, and there we have our pumpkin spice latte. Yum. Okay, here's the taste test. Wonderful. You're going to love this, and you're going to save so much from going to Starbucks. Thanks for joining us today on My Little Country Living as we made homemade pumpkin spice lattes. They were wonderful. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. Thanks.